Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add media preview for my product on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have your edit cloud settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout button. Also, we have the store and marketing on the left side of the screen. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add media preview for my product on Sellfy. So adding a media preview to your product on Sellfy is a great way to showcase your product visually. Here's how you can do it. Create your media preview. Upload your video or audio preview to a supported platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or SoundCloud. Copy the media link, open the media on the platform and copy the link from the address bar. Then add the media preview to Sellfy. Log into your Sellfy account, navigate to products and go to all products with here on the left side of the screen of course. Then select the product you want to add preview to, scroll down to the products preview section. Click Add Media Preview and paste the link into the Media Preview field. After that, click Add and then Save Product once you're done editing. This will embed the Media Preview on your product page, giving potential customers a better idea of what they're purchasing. If you need more detailed instructions, you can check out the Sellfy Help Center. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.